Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make burgers on Blackstone. Preheat the griddle to medium-high and scrape a clean surface. Form patties gently, season both sides, and press a small dimple in the center. Cook without pressing to retain juices, flip once when a crust forms, and melt cheese at the end. Rest patties briefly before assembling on toasted buns for the best texture and flavor. Start by dividing meat into equal portions and gently form patties about 3/4 inch thick. Keep a loose touch to preserve texture and avoid overworking the meat. Season just before grilling to keep moisture and flavor balanced. Make a small center indent in each patty to prevent bulging as they cook. This simple technique yields evenly cooked, juicy burgers with a great sear and consistent doneness every time. Place patties on the hot Blackstone and let them develop a golden crust undisturbed. Flip a single time when the edges show cooked color and juices rise. Avoid pressing to keep juices inside. For cheese, cover the patty or add a teaspoon of water beside it to create steam for quick melting. Slide burgers onto toasted buns with fresh toppings and enjoy the balanced texture and rich flavors from the griddle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.